Hi guys, it's me again, Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. Today, I'm back with a new video, answer the question I get the most this week, how to start a hair business. However, this video will have a surprise, that is, I will have a special guest here. He's one of the biggest and most loyal customer of our company.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Marco and I'm a hair extension trader from Nigeria. This time, I'm on a trip in Vietnam. And Justin invited me here to share with you about my experience. I will give you 6 suggestions, secrets related to how to start a hair business that you need to know easily to achieve success. Let's start. The first secret related to how to start a hair business is that you need to choose a suitable time to start a business. The right time is when you have thoroughly researched this industry and have prepared a large enough amount of money to start a business. Not only that, the right time is also when you have people with high demand to buy hair extensions, which can be 2 to 3 months before festivals like Christmas, New Year, and let you know, this is the most suitable time for you to start your hair business. How to start a hair business? The second very important secret that you need to know is that you need to find a useful, repeatable wholesale hair vendor with good product quality and reasonable price. I'm sure many of us are afraid of being scammed when wondering how to start a hair business. I've been like that too. I've been scammed 2 times from 2 different factories. The amount that I was scammed was more than 1.5 million naira. However, luck often comes at the last minute. I chose K Hair Factory, and Justin here was my last try before I decided to give up the hair extension business. And luckily, K Hair Factory met my criteria. Prestige, quality, reasonable price. I've been working with Justin for almost 2 years and have never regretted my decision. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. The third secret I gave you about how to start a hair business is that you need to know how to accept the worst possible situations. Not only the hair extension business, but any profession has risks. We should prepare mentally and have a solution for those worst cases to ensure that everything is still under our control. During the recent COVID-19 epidemic, I placed an order of 10 kg. However, because of the seriousness of the pandemic, it took me up to 3 months to receive the goods because all countries closed their borders and did not allow export and imports. I was really losing my temper and was worried. However, Justin has always been the best encouragement support for me, even though my clients were very angry at the delay. In the end, everything went well, and they were completely satisfied with the hair I provided.
3 secrets about how to start a hair business that Mr. Michael offered. Extremely attractive and useful. I'm really looking forward to know 3 more secrets that Mr. Michael will share with us in the next video. Let's look forward to the videos on how to start a hair business part 2. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back every Wednesday and Thursday on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.